Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. Good morning, how you doing? Heading out here on Dome Rock Road. Gonna go hook up this dry washer. See if we can't shake a little dirt. I got my good friend Dan with me. This is the claim, Jumping Jack Claim, part of the Gold Club I belong to. We're gonna pull on back in here, get set up, and I'll be back. Alrighty, let's get this show on the road. Here we are. This is Jumping Jack Claim, 160-acre parcel, part of the Gold Club I belong to, which is through Miners Depot. Dry wash is there. Don't have it hooked up yet. Set up the solar panel, and I had to break down and buy a new battery, unfortunately. We're at 13.7, so it's pretty much charged. I just got the battery, so I'll leave the panel on it. We'll come back to that in a little bit. Let's go bug my buddy here. I actually got a crew today. My good friend Dan from Montana. Say hi, Dan.
Hi, Dan. Hey, what do you think this thing right here is?
You know, they got meteorites out here. Hang on to it. Could be a piece of lead or just iron.
It's kind of peculiar, isn't it?
Yeah. Anything magnetic, hang on. Alright, let's do a quick walk around. There's no particular reason why I picked this spot. It was this level and easy to get to. This is kind of a test. I mean, neither Dan and I have ever run a dry washer before. So this is real new to us. But there's holes everywhere. I mean, these claims get worked hard every year. But with the monsoon rains, I mean, the water just roars through here. So every summer, it really stirs up the soil. There's always gold to find. Just gotta be lucky enough to find it. You can see all the silty sand from when the water runs through. There's a lot of black sand down in this, which is good. That's where gold is. Look at the hole over here. Someone really worked this one. Wonder what they found. But who knows? Some of the club members I'm going to get with in December and come out here. The guys actually know what they're doing. And they're going to show me a few tricks out here too. Alright, let's go bug Dan, see what he's up to. We're pre-screening the dirt. I don't know if we're supposed to or not, but that's the way we're going to try it today. Alright, well, I'm going to go up, get some gloves, give my friend a hand here. We'll just pack up about, I don't know, 4 or 5 buckets of dirt up near the washer and try it. Get it set up. Can't wait. This is going to be cool. Boy, the wind has really picked up. I brought some dust masks though, so we'll try to keep it downwind from us. Alrighty, well, let me get busy. We'll bring some dirt up. We'll get the washer hooked up. Basically all I gotta do is plug it into the battery and go from there. I'll be back in a while. Okay, we preloaded the little sluice box, whatever they call it. Haven't turned it on. I gotta get this plugged in here. Here, hold that. Just right there. Bring it down. Turn it. There you go. Thanks. Okay, turn it back on that. Raise it up in the air a little bit. It's working. I'll let you be the scooper duper. Too cool for school. Check it out. Poof. We're shaking dirt. Scoop it right in there. See, I don't think we needed to pre-screen all this. I don't know. Good deal. Solar's doing its job. 12.8, 12.9. Battery's charging with the load on it, the motor. And it's cloudy today. It's kind of overcast. Not good solar sun. Because that's knocking it down. Oh, good. 80. It's probably about 80% or less with that kind of a haze. This thing will move a little bit of dirt. This is one of these things, the more you do, the better you get at it. So, how fun though. I love this thing. I'm gonna wear it out this winter. This thing's working slick. Well, we've dug up and pre-screened. We didn't haul full buckets up. They're about 2/3 full. About 8 of them total. Check out how this thing works. I'll get the camera right in there. You can see it up close.
You would want to. If you could.
Okay, that was a pretty good little workout. Kind of got a late start. We're going to pack it up, head back, see what we get out of it. I'll post that later. But all in all, I'm impressed. This thing worked good. And it's a good excuse to get out. I want to thank my buddy Dan for helping me today. Couldn't have done it without him. Look how it fits right in the back of the van there too. So, too cool. And the solar worked. Everything worked. This is only the beginning. Stay tuned for much more. We'll be metal detecting, dry washing, all kinds of stuff. And of course, I'm going to fly the drone. You'll see footage of it beginning and end of this video. So stay tuned for all that. Alrighty, well this is Dan and Russ. We're signing off from the Jumping Jack Claim here in Dome Rock Road in Quartzsite, Arizona. Everyone have a great day. Don't forget to travel safe. Take care, and I'll talk soon.